Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hi everyone, welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. In today's video, we are going to learn how to do video editing with Reaper. Guys, as a visually impaired, there are many challenges while you are doing the video editing, especially cut the unwanted part. Yes, there are many softwares and tools for mobile applications such as Audiolab. We have already made a video on how to use Audiolab to trim your unwanted part of the video. There is another applications like Viva Video Pro and some other applications with the help of which you can easily do editing videos. But for Windows, there are limited softwares. I have already made a video on how to edit videos using Windows Movie Maker 2016. But Microsoft does not support that 2016. So today I'm going to show you most easy way, or you can say easiest way to edit the video using a software called Reaper. Reaper is basically a digital audio workstation, which means this is useful to edit sounds, but here we will edit videos using the same software. So for complete videos, please watch the video till the end. Guys, we are on our official WhatsApp channel. We are on our official Telegram channel. On Telegram channel, you get applications and tools link. And on our WhatsApp channel, you get daily tech news. So if you want to get tech news daily, don't forget to follow us on WhatsApp. Both links are given in the video description below. So guys, basically Reaper is a digital audio workstation, but now we are going to use this to edit the video. So guys, without further delay, let's start. First, let me open the Reaper.
Recycle Reaper X6 Reaper V7.
Now today I am going to share with you how you can cut any unwanted portion from your video using Reaper. So guys, first of all, when you open the Reaper, you will find this.
No tracks.
If you press up or down arrow, it says no tracks. So basically in the Reaper, you need to import a track. Now as it is a digital audio workstation, so generally we import audio files or we record something. But here in track, we will import one video file, then do the editing. By the way guys, if you want to install the Reaper, stay tuned till the end, because at the end I will tell you some important things which you have to remember or which you are required with Reaper to do all the stuff, all the tasks. So to import a media, I press a shortcut.
Import file.
Okay, so now I just choose the file from our directory.
View, level 2 software and file items booter Raj booter Kaarba.mp.
So this is one musical video, tabla video. Those who know about the tabla, they can understand. This is an Indian instrument. So I'm just taking this video. After choosing the video, just press enter on it and it will come, it will open in your Reaper.
Reaper V7.33 evaluate building P unsaved project.
So now it says unsaved projects on Reaper. Now this project is created and this track is now imported successfully. I used Ctrl I to import a file. Okay, use Ctrl I to import a file. Okay, as a media. Now after opening this, you need to press W to come back. Come back means to come to the top of the video. Top means you can consider as a left of the video. Left means at the beginning of the video. Okay, just I'm pressing W.
Bar 1 beat 10%.
It says bar 1 beat 1, so don't worry. Those who wants to learn audio editing, they will learn this. But for video editing right now, we don't need this. Just follow what I'm doing here. Okay, it is not possible to explain everything in a single video. That's why just follow what I'm doing here. Okay. Now, if you are doing the video editing using Audiolab or any other applications which is accessible for screen readers, there is one problem. First, let me tell you the problem. The problem is there you can able to select a specific part of the video by moving forward backward of the cursor, right? But the only problem is there are three options. Like Audio Lab, if I'm talking about, there are three options: trim video, delete, and save. Okay, so trim video means whatever part you selected, that will be trimmed. Delete video means whatever part you deleted, that will be deleted. Okay, if you delete the part, then you need to save the video. Again, you need to open, then delete some part, then save the video. So this is quite time consuming, right? If you have 1 hour, 2 hour videos, there is like some tough. Okay, so that's why in the Reaper we use marker, start marker and end marker, as in Goldwave we use. But in Goldwave Goldwave does not support the video files, but Reaper will support. Okay, we will see. So now first I'll play this video. Video. You can only hear the audio. I think you cannot see the video. I'm not sure. So just press spacebar to play the video, control space to pause the video, and spacebar to stop the video. So just I am pressing spacebar to start playing the video.
Play. Stop.
Guys, this is a Bengali video, so if those who are not able to understand, don't focus on my speech. Just understand how I edit this.
Play.
নমস্কার, আজ একটা ছোট্ট পিস কিছু বানানোর চেষ্টা করছি। তবে আজকের পিসের যে বিশেষত্ব সেটা হচ্ছে আজকের আমার সাথে সাথে আপনারাও কিন্তু বাজাবেন, মানে আপনারাও কিন্তু তাল দেবেন। সো হাত একদম খালি রাখুন। রেডি? 1 2 3 4.
Stop.
So some kind of pieces of tabla is here from I played. Okay, those who wants to listen, they can visit my second channel. Not second channel, this is another channel. So if you wish, I'll put the link in somewhere. But as this is a technical channel, I'll not put anything because that is a Bengali based channel. So if you are interested, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to share the link, drop the link to your reply. Okay, so let's come back to our video. Now I want to cut the speech part. I want to keep only the rhythm part or the music part. So how to do and what to do? So first, now I need to come back to our at the start of the video. So press W. So I am already at the start of the video. So that's why it does not say nothing. It says nothing. Now as I will cut it from the beginning portion, I just press left bracket key and it says
Set selection start.
Set selection start. Okay. Now I will play the video, and until which I will complete. When I reach the portion, I will just press another key to stop the selection. Okay. So how to do it, I'll tell you everything. I'll continue the video, but before that, guys, as you know that V.I Tech Academy is ISO registered online institution for persons with print disabilities. We offer various type of courses. So guys, those who are interested to learn website designing but do not have interest in coding, for you guys we have a great chance or great options, which is WordPress. And thank you for your support, because we have completed successfully 4 batches of WordPress, and now in this coming month we are going to start season 5 of WordPress training program. And in season 5 we will take many things new, many surprises might become, and we are offering this course at nominal price of very very low price, like 1699 is the in Indian currency, 1699 is the pricing, but you will get a definitely discounted price, and some more discounts will also come. So keep your eyes on our official Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel. We will post update. But if you want to register yourself and book your slot today, so just go visit our website from the about page of the channel, and there you will find a live trainings link Go there. There you will find WordPress training link. Also, you can find the same on the home page. Then register yourself. After registration, we will let you know all the details, and there you will also get the timing and other, not timing details, you will get the payment details and other details also. So hurry up, because limited seats available, and within just 2 months, yes guys, within just 2 months you will learn complete website designing. Okay guys, let's come back to our video. Now I have selected my first part. Next I just play the video.
Play.
নমস্কার, আচ্ছা একটা ছোট্ট পিস কিছু বানানোর Now I will pause the video, not I will stop the video. Okay, if I stop, my cursor will automatically go back. আপনারাও কিন্তু বাজাবেন, মানে আপনারাও কিন্তু তাল দেবেন। So হাত একদম খালি রাখুন। Ready?
Pause.
So till now I just paused. If I stop here, my cursor will automatically go back to the starting of the video. Now here I press another key to stop
Set
the selection.
end.
Set selection end. Now that's great. So I press right bracket to complete the selection. My selection is finished, and now I just press delete key and it says
Contents of time selection removed.
Now I just go back to our video and just play using spacebar, and you can see, you can hear.
Play.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Stop.
So guys, I just stopped this video. Guys, if you are interested, I mean if you need to cut any portion from the middle, just use the same trick, left bracket and right bracket, then delete it. Okay, so that's simple way you can use it, you can do it. Now next step is to render the video. So to render the video, this is very important. To render the video, I will press another shortcut key and it will open the render dialog. Okay, but before that guys, another small announcement. Don't worry, I will not take so much time. Guys, those who are interested to learn Python programming with certificate, this month we offer Python course at 2499 in Indian currency. Maybe from next month this course price will increase, because we are adding some additional benefits. So that's why. So guys, before hiking the price, register today. I'll drop the link. No, sorry, I cannot drop the link due to some reason, but you can get the same link on our official WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, as well as on our about page of the YouTube channel. So guys, those who are interested, enroll now. And at the end of this video, I will also disclose one more program called Pay Little Learn More. So keep watching the video till the end. Now I just rendered the video. To render the video, I press Alt Control R.
Render to file dialog.
So
Output.
here type your file name. So let's suppose I am giving Keherba. Okay, just I use tabla music.
Tab.
Okay, just I use that. Now press Shift Tab until you reach some option. I'll tell you.
Brother time respass or can rent drive save queue but add auto save do not silent large combo embed tempo include proj right BW WAV bit def format combo box.
So format. Now press right arrow until you choose.
A CAF raw audio C DDP flag MP3 and Vorbis Agopus video Bex MPEG4/Windows Media.
So once you selected, just press enter here. And
Rendering
see my video is rendering.
File grouping. Output file edit read only selected D. Projects Reaper projects renders tabla music.mp4 0%, 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, 80%, 90%. One unfinished and Z.
See, now it's finished. So just press tab.
Finished and 0 to open folder button.
Click on open folder.
Renders.
And see, this is my video.
HBD tabla music.
If I press enter on it.
Media player. Media player window. Pause button alt. Piece.
Okay, somehow
Rent.
this media player is not working. Let me play with in
Cut copying
using video,
share delete sharing
VLC media
cut
player.
T pop up win rar collapsed one win cut TC copying share delete the pop up open with pop micros movies photos 5 VLC media items view list.
1, 2, 3, 4. No first line. Okay, I'll play it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Play it again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
NN.
No first line,
Render.
right?
Finish.
So this is the way you can actually do the video editing, especially the cutting and merging part from your video. Guys, one more important settings which I have to tell you. After opening Reaper, press Ctrl P to go to Preference.
Reaper preference.
Then press up arrow down arrow to find paths.
Undo paths 2 of 3.
Tap until you reach to the default render path.
Surfo cancel button. Default browse. Default render path. If left.
Press tab again.
Browse button. Set the.
So here you need to browse a folder where you want to be rendered all of your projects or videos.
Press
tab.
Button. I'll use alt browse. List of search find OK button.
And click on OK button. So this way you are actually telling the Reaper that, hey Reaper, you will render all of my videos to this folder. So in this way you can easily find all of your rendered videos. So this is how you can easily edit videos using Reaper. Now, very important announcement, very important news for you guys. Those who are interested to learn some programming, don't do courses, don't want to do courses, only programming. And from our YouTube channel, for them we have a initiative called Pay Little Learn More. So as you know that in our YouTube channel we have a join button. So you need to just join us as a gold member, and the subscription fee is 119 rupees, 119 rupees per month. You will get JavaScript videos and all other programming videos which will be exclusively for our gold members, because we only want those who are very serious to learn programming. As you know that we are not getting so much views for the in the programming, because we understand that programming is not very much, people are not interested to do programming. So that's why we have decided to do this only for serious people. And JS part 3 is already uploaded. JS 4 is coming soon. So guys, this is the announcement. Now, if you want to download the Reaper, visit the website reaper.fm. Along with Reaper, you need to download AWS extension along with Asera. Without these, Reaper will not work properly with the screen reader. For the complete package, you can visit our Telegram channel. By the way, we will provide the Reaper.fm link also in the video description below. Please note, Reaper is not a free software. You can use it for free up to 60 days. After that, you need to buy this software. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please let me know into the comment section how this video is helpful for you. And if you have any doubts or comments, let me know. I will try to answer that. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video soon. Till then, bye-bye.